Welcome! Today I'll show you how I tried to create a viral history short video directly within the Instagram Edits app using ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and CapCut. You'll see how I combine these powerful tools to make something unique. Let's get started. First, we open up ChatGPT and give it a task to create a creative prompt about the history of oil. And you can ask it anything that comes to your mind. Next, we give ChatGPT the prompt and ask it to turn it into a short video script. In just seconds, boom, you've got a full scene ready to go. Now we ask it to turn that script into a voiceover. Just type it in, and like magic, it gives you a ready-to-use narration. Now, we ask ChatGPT to write some prompts for Leonardo AI, so we can generate powerful images that match our story. We copy the prompts and head over to Leonardo AI, where the real visual magic begins. It's super important to set up the settings correctly in Leonardo AI. Even the free version lets you do that. Since we're making a shorts video, we'll need vertical images. But if you're creating a thumbnail for YouTube or something similar, then go for horizontal. I won't make the video too long. I just recorded the process of creating one image, but you can use the same steps to generate as many as you want. Once we're done creating the images in Leonardo AI, we import them into Edits and begin editing. We select all the images we made and add them to a new project. To make the video look better on phones, we zoom in slightly so each image fills the vertical screen. Then we add simple motion effects like zoom or pan to avoid static visuals. We also add smooth transitions between the images to give the video a more professional and dynamic feel. While editing, I explored and played around with different options in Edits. I tried out various effects, motions, and transitions to see what best fits the style of the video. This is the perfect time to get creative. Even small tweaks can bring your images to life. The app has sound effects too, but they didn't quite fit my video. Maybe they'll work better for yours. Then we go into CapCut and open the text-to-speech section. We add one of the images, then go to the text-to-speech section and paste the text we copied from ChatGPT, adjusting it a bit if needed. Then we choose the voice character, male or female, excited or calm, depending on the mood we want to create. Once we're done, we export the video as usual and bring it back into Edits. We simply remove the on-screen text, and that's it. If you're using ElevenLabs instead, you can generate the voice as audio only. Once we're done adding the voiceover, we move on to auto captions. The app automatically generates subtitles based on the voice. After they show up, we can customize them by choosing a different style, changing the text color, adding a background, or adjusting the transparency depending on the look we want. And if we don't like the default caption style, we can easily pick a new one from the built-in templates. Finally, we review everything and correct any small mistakes that might have appeared during the auto-transcription process. After finishing the captions, I went back to Leonardo AI and picked a different image, this time for the beginning of the video. I wanted the intro to look more engaging and grab attention right away, so I chose something that visually stands out more. Once everything's ready, just click export and the video will be generated automatically. Let's now take a look at the video we created, from idea to the final result. Now it's your turn. Give it a try and create something unique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.
Did you know the story of oil began thousands of years ago? Ancient civilizations used oil to build, to heal, and even to preserve the dead. But in 1859, oil changed forever when the first modern oil well struck black gold in Pennsylvania. Cars, planes, and was the 20th century Roman oil. From the deserts of the Middle East to deep oceans, we drilled and pumped more than ever before. But oil came with a price: pollution, oil spills, and climate change. Now, the world is shifting to electric cars, clean energy, and a future beyond oil. The oil age isn't over. but the future is already here.